We were informed by the management that they will be opting out of the CWELC program.
Manar Fadil has a child with special needs, so she was hit with a 1-2 punch when her child care center opted out.
It does mean that, we would potentially be paying double what we used to pay per month, and we would also be losing resource consultant privileges.
It's not the only provider in Milton opting out of the Canada-wide Early Learning and Child Care System, or CWELC, that aims to subsidize fees for parents with a goal of getting to $10 a day by 2026.
We were paying approximately $300 bi-weekly for her care.
But when Caitlin Lettingham's provider opted out in 2025, her bi-weekly payments jumped to $700.
My heart breaks for people, especially those families that have multiple kids in daycare. We're lucky that our oldest is already in kindergarten. For a lot of families, this would be financially devastating.
As of January 1st, 2025, Ontario introduced a new funding formula for CWELC to ensure enrolled families pay no more than $22 a day.
If the child care centers are choosing to opt out of it, that means that it's not sustainable for them.
But with dwindling options for providers in the CWELC program,
the wait lists to these child care centers are going to be 2-3 years long. My child's going to be in school by the time his name actually comes up.
Advocacy group Childcare Now says the Milton area has a higher percentage of for-profit child care centers than other municipalities, like Toronto, for example.
The percentage of for-profit providers overall in the province is around 30%, 70% not-for-profit. Not-for-profit providers, they are sticking with the program. One of the things that we would like is for local government in places like Milton, but in other places where there's a severe shortage of licensed spaces that are part of the program, we want them to step in and try to figure out where new spaces could be created.
Halton Region tells us in Milton, 89% of childcare sites are enrolled in the Canada-wide Early Learning and Childcare System. Michelle Mackey, City News.